Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some game-changing construction and renovation tools that are setting new standards in efficiency and quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional in the field, these innovative products will help you complete your projects faster and with greater precision. Stick around, and let's explore the future of construction together. Introducing the Facade Key Lick System, an innovative solution for facade cladding that combines ease of installation and an aesthetic appearance. This system is designed for fast and reliable fastening of facade panels without visible fasteners, which provides a smooth and modern surface of the building. A special feature of Facade Click is the use of hidden fasteners, allowing you to install panels without the need for drilling or screws. Introducing the Facade Key Lick System, an innovative solution for facade cladding that combines ease of installation and an aesthetic appearance. This system is designed for fast and reliable fastening of facade panels without visible fasteners, which provides a smooth and modern surface of the building. A special feature of Facade Click is the use of hidden fasteners, allowing you to install panels without the need for drilling or screws. This significantly speeds up the installation process and reduces the risk of damaging the cladding material. In addition, the system provides natural ventilation of the facade, preventing moisture accumulation and extending the service life of the structure. Facade Click is widely used in the construction of residential and commercial buildings, where installation speed and high aesthetic requirements are important. Introducing Trimaco, easy, mask carpet and hard surface protective films, a reliable solution for temporary protection during renovations or construction. Carpet film has a non-slip surface and is resistant to tears and punctures, effectively protecting against dirt, spills and heavy traffic. Hard surface film is designed to protect materials such as tiles, marble, countertops and appliances. Its durable structure is resistant to tears, abrasions and punctures, providing reliable protection for up to 30 days. Reverse roll-up facilitates quick application, and removal leaves no sticky residue. We present the insulation of foundations with EcoSpray Therm Closed Cell Foam, a modern solution ensuring excellent thermal insulation and waterproofing of buildings. Polyurethane foam with a closed cell structure effectively protects foundations against moisture, mold and fungi, while minimizing heat loss. One of the main advantages of this method is the creation of a uniform, seamless insulating layer that adheres perfectly to the surface, eliminating thermal bridges. Thanks to this, the foundations are better protected against external factors, which translates into a longer life of the structure. Additionally, closed-cell foam is characterized by high compressive strength, which increases the stability of the foundations. The process of applying EcoSpray Therm Foam is quick and effective. The material is applied by spraying, which allows for precise coverage of even hard-to-reach places. After application, the foam hardens quickly, creating a durable coating that is resistant to mechanical damage. It is also worth emphasizing that the foam is a self-extinguishing material. It does not mold, rot, or oxidize, which ensures long-term protection of the foundations. Introducing Stone Clip, a patented mechanical fixing system for wall cladding with natural stone and large format panels. These high-quality stainless steel clips provide a secure fixation of cladding materials in a vertical position, creating a strong and durable structure. One of the key advantages of Stone Clip is the variety of sizes and variants to suit different weights and sizes of stone. The smallest clip, 5 mm thick, can withstand a load of up to 10 kilograms, while the largest models are used to hold stone panels weighing over 400 kilograms, such as in the Anzac Walk project in Adelaide. The Stone Clip system is widely used in commercial and residential construction, including facade cladding, internal walls and ceilings. Its versatility allows the fixings to be used both indoors and outdoors, even in high humidity conditions or over water surfaces. Thanks to the concealed installation, Stone Clip provides an aesthetically pleasing appearance without visible fasteners. Introducing Maxit Mortal Pad, an innovative solution for bricklaying, known as the Smart Wall, Die Schlauer Mauer. This product is a pre-made pad made of lightweight, thin-layer mortar, reinforced with a glass fiber mesh, which significantly simplifies and speeds up the construction process. The main advantage of Maxit Mortal Pad is its ease of use. There is no need to mix mortar or clean tools. Simply place the pad on a row of bricks, moisten it, and you can immediately lay the next row. This ensures uniform distribution of the mortar and high-quality masonry. In addition, the use of Mortal Pad helps to reduce water consumption on the construction site and reduces the amount of construction waste, making this product more environmentally sustainable compared to traditional masonry methods. Roberts Deluxe Carpet. Knee Kicker is a professional tool designed to stretch carpets and ensure their secure fixation. It has an adjustable length from 17 to 21 inches, which allows you to adapt the tool to the needs of the user, made of high-quality cast aluminum, which ensures lightness and durability. The pin depth adjustment allows you to precisely control the tension of the carpet, which is important for obtaining a quality result. This tool is ideal for carpet professionals, providing high productivity and durability in use. Roof tile installation using polyurethane glue. This is an effective method that provides a strong and good base. The process is carried out with the following explanation. The power is removed from the dirt as leveled. At the end of the day, polyurethane glue is added, which is very easy to do, forming a strong base for the tiles. After this is laid, the tiles are attached to the glue that is not welded. Inexpensive chain and external air transport device. This method is extremely effective for small children, even if it is snowy. The design is designed to provide thermal insulation protection. Stamped concrete molds are special molds used to give the texture and pattern of natural materials such as stone, brick or wood to concrete surfaces. These molds are especially preferred in seamless, concrete stamp molds, garden walls and stone-patterned concrete applications. The use of molds allows the desired pattern to be obtained with a suitable pressure while the concrete is still fresh after casting. This method creates aesthetically rich and durable surfaces. The use of stamped concrete molds reduces costs in construction and landscaping projects, while providing visual richness by imitating the appearance of natural materials. Bubble deck is an innovative construction technology that is a system of hollow concrete slabs with integrated plastic balls that eliminate non-load-bearing concrete mass from the neutral axis of the slab. This results in a significant reduction in the dead weight of the structure without compromising strength and rigidity. The plastic balls are held in place by reinforcement, creating a strong and lightweight structure. This approach allows for thinner and lighter slabs, which reduces material and transportation costs and speeds up the construction process. Bubble deck is used in a variety of construction projects, including residential and commercial buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. Eurobrick cladding systems include various options such as X-clad for external walls, I-clad for internal spaces, P-clad for ventilated facades, and V-clad for budget projects. Each system is designed to meet specific requirements and operating conditions, ensuring high energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. The company offers a wide range of brick tiles, including the Britannia and Classic collections, as well as various types of stone tiles. These materials are available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing you to choose the optimal solution for any project. SlimFort facade insulation is an innovative system with 6 key benefits for facade insulation. Firstly, it provides excellent thermal insulation thanks to the high-quality EPS, expanded polystyrene panels, which contributes to an energy-efficient building. The system is structurally approved, which means that it meets the required building standards and contributes to the structural integrity of the building. In addition, SlimFort complies with fire safety standards, which contributes to the overall safety of the building. The system is better in terms of construction physics due to the moisture-resistant and vapor-open properties of EPS, which prevents condensation and maintains the insulation value. SlimFort is also designed with the environment in mind, with materials that are reusable and recyclable, which contributes to a more sustainable construction process. Finally, the sustainable construction ensures low maintenance costs, which increases the cost-effectiveness of the project. The new 99EY Mansaver post driver is a pneumatic tool designed to efficiently drive fence posts up to 2/8 inches in diameter, commonly used for chain link fences. It operates on any small air compressor, delivering at least 3.5 CFM at 80 psi, ensuring versatility and ease of use. The driver features a heavy-duty construction, delivering 75 strokes per minute, which significantly speeds up the post-installation process. Weighing 34 pounds, it is portable and suitable for various fencing applications. The 99EY model comes with a maximum round sleeve and is compatible with adapters for different post shapes and sizes, enhancing its versatility. Earthbag building, the fact that it is possible to build a structure out of earthbags, people learned in the last century. At that time, the technology was used mainly by the military to fight floods in bunkers. Today, thanks to some enthusiasts, we can safely say that the method can be used for the construction of residential houses. This one, for example, was built in Fairbanks, Alaska. It took no more than a couple of months to build, and then people lived in it for 3 years before selling it. The reason this particular material was chosen was affordability. The land for construction was taken directly from the site, which saved a lot of money on transportation of the material. In addition, the land, even if you buy it, will cost less than bricks or wood, not to mention that the time for erection takes many times less, if compared with traditional technologies. Bags of earth are simply stacked on top of each other in rows. Barbed wire was used as a connecting element between them. The earth bags are non-toxic, non-combustible, non-decaying, and resistant to microorganisms. They retain heat well, so they are surprisingly not a bad building material. In addition, earth can be mixed with third-party fillers like volcanic stone or perlite to provide additional insulation. Culvert retaining wall. It's hard to say whether this technology was created by very resourceful people or very lazy people. Either way, it is a good time and effort saver. A retaining wall is an extremely useful structure in places with moving wet soil. They're erected most often on slopes and in depressions to hold and prop up the ground. Traditionally, concrete, stone, or brick blocks are used, but there are alternatives. The blocks can be replaced with bags of dry cement mix. The idea is that after getting wet, the mixture in the bag starts to harden, forming peculiar blocks. The bags are then removed by hand, or they can be allowed to decompose naturally over time. For construction, you can use factory bags from the manufacturer, or the mixture is pre-packaged to get small blocks. In our case, the most common paper lunch bags were used, and also, if necessary, such a construction is not difficult to reinforce with reinforcement. Metal elements are placed between the rows, or the bags are pierced with them. And here's a building system designed to be a better alternative for people who live in permafrost areas. The house whose construction you see on your screens is part of a research project called Protosphere. Its developer is Suzanne Havelko, a scientist at McGill University, Montreal, Canada. In creating such a house, she wanted to understand how the quality of life could be improved when living in cold regions. Protosphere is a monolithic dome structure. Such a structure is highly resistant to natural challenges, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and tornadoes. The method of construction of such domes is extremely interesting. After the foundation is poured, special spheres are inflated on the site of the future house. In shape, they coincide with the shape of the finished building. Around the form, a metal frame is first built, reinforcing, and then liquid concrete is laid on top. The sphere, filled with air, supports the material until it dries completely, and then it is only necessary to blow it off and remove it. The project was realized by the specialists of the American company, Monolithic, who have extensive experience in the construction of such domed monolithic houses. Urban rigor. The impetus for this project was the fact that in Copenhagen it is very difficult to find housing that would be affordable for an ordinary student. A few years ago, the project's founder, Kim Laudrup, faced the problem that he had nowhere to put his son. He could not find suitable housing. Then it was decided to build this housing, right on the water, so that it did not get in the way, used unused ordinary space. As a basis, ordinary shipping containers, so that the cost is not too large. The end result is the Urban Rigger, an apartment building that sleeps 12 people. Each occupant has their own bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. In addition, residents and guests all have access to a shared green courtyard, which measures 17 square feet. Here you can find a kayak court, a swimming platform, a barbecue area and much more. Underneath the house below the water level is another floor, a basement of 2,368 square feet. This is another common area, which serves for storage and as a laundry room. The success of the project has created a whole business. Today, as many as 5 such houses can be found on the territory of Copenhagen. The company is also working on similar houses in Cork, Ireland, Rotterdam, in the Netherlands, and San Francisco in the US. Grain bin home. Converting non-residential buildings into residential ones and giving them a new life is a trend that has been around for years. So the idea of turning a silo into a house is not new, but today we are going to show you the actual transformation process in detail. Grain bin home is a family project started this year in a rural area of the American state of Indiana. The silo was purchased along with a plot of land that contained the house and fields. A few years ago, it fell into disrepair. So the owners had the most interesting idea to convert it into a guest house where parents could stay. The plan was to turn the 23-foot tower into a 2-story house with a residential annex in the back and a porch in the front. Work began around May. The planned construction duration at that time was 5 months. So at the moment the project is still unfinished, we only know in advance that the first floor will have a living room with a kitchen. In the annex at the back, it was decided to have a sleeping room along with a bathroom. The tower will also have a loft-style interior. A curved staircase leads to the second floor, from where you can look out onto the first floor or step out onto a balcony overlooking the fields. It is noteworthy that the house turned out complete with insulation foundation, doors, windows, and communication systems. And you can read more about the stages of construction on the project channel. Boxable. The latest construction solution, which we will talk about today, is a modular system that can be used to assemble almost any residential or non-residential building. The size of one boxable module does not exceed the size of a shipping container, which allows you to deliver them quickly on public roads. Delivery is carried out in a couple of days, instead of the usual couple of months, which significantly reduces the construction period. The module unfolds like a child's construction set. It's fast and not very complicated. The manufacturer offers its patented panel system, which allows for much faster installation of communication systems. The layout, location, and size of window doorways can be any, chosen by the customer. The material chosen to create the modules is resistant to fire, water, mold, and has high energy efficiency. Finally, the construction uses 90% less wood than traditional construction methods, which makes boxable houses more environmentally friendly. Column. And here is an amazing piece of furniture that can be transformed into a decorative element and back again with a slight movement of the hand. This meter-long shelf consists of a large number of movable modules, Their position can be changed by the owner himself as he likes. When the modules are pressed against the wall, the shelf looks like an outlandish sculpture. Note that on the bottom side, the wooden elements are curved, and on the top side, they are perfectly straight. Also that when they bend, they create an extra vertical surface for storing small, lightweight items. Ligari floor kits. You've probably heard the expression epoxy resin at least once before. It's a material that is widely used today in the manufacture of furniture, such as kitchen worktops, river effect tables, and much more. However, it turns out that it can also be used for floor finishes. The result is interesting and very unusual. Masters work with resin of different colors in several stages so that the final surface is decorated with fanciful divorces, in this case, redheads. Interestingly, traditional methods of application, like brushes, rollers, do not allow you to achieve the desired effect, to get a perfectly smooth, even floor. Therefore, instead of them, the so-called pouring method is chosen. This means that the material is poured in large quantities directly onto the prepared floor and then evenly distributed over the surface. Porta-pivot. It would seem that door frames already have a universal design that cannot be changed and improved in any way. Nevertheless, talented craftsmen from all over the world continue to come up with new, more and more creative variants of the door. One of them you see right now on your screens. When you look at such a door from the outside, it is hard to even imagine that there is something unusual about it. The catch is when you try to open it. Suddenly it turns out that the door does not swing to the side as it usually does, but practically rotates around its axis. The secret of this design lies in the fastening elements. Here you will not find traditional hardware. The door is not fixed in the door frame by means of hinges located on the side. Instead, a strong vertical support is hidden inside the structure, and it is not located on the edge of the passage, but at a small distance from it. The pivot door pivot is an ideal option for rooms with limited space, especially narrow ones. This is because when it opens, it occupies the space in front and behind, but not on the sides. Sportec. The latest original construction solution that we are going to show today is another type of floor finish. These are Sportec rubber boards from Kreiberg, which were developed specifically for use in sports facilities such as fitness rooms. Each of these sheets is made of recycled rubber granules. They have excellent sound and noise insulation properties, but most importantly, they absorb impact energy perfectly. Even if a heavy weight or dumbbells accidentally fall on such a floor, the surface under the slab will remain intact. The method of installation, as you can see, is simple and quick. The boards are connected to each other using grooves and studs. Today we will talk about an innovative new generation insulation material, Hybris from Actis. This alveolar insulator combines the functions of thermal insulation, sound insulation, and tightness, providing comprehensive protection of building structures. Hybris is designed for use in roofs, walls, and floors of non-residential attics, both in new and reconstructed buildings. It is suitable for residential premises, office buildings, schools, medical institutions, and hotels, providing comfort and energy efficiency. One of the key features of Hybris is its cellular structure, which provides high thermal and sound insulation. The material is easy to install, which reduces installation time and costs. It is interesting to note that Hybris has the classification Island Use Profile with indices 11, S1, O2L2E5, confirming its suitability for use in various building structures. Thanks to its unique characteristics, Hybris by Actis is becoming an increasingly popular choice among construction and renovation professionals seeking to ensure high quality and durability in their projects. Duplast offers adjustable support bases, known as rafts, designed for laying tiles or wooden decking. These rafts allow the height of the structure to be adjusted from 8 to 470 millimeters, providing flexibility and adaptation to various terrain conditions. One of the key advantages of using Duplast rafts is the ability to create a terrace without the need to pour a concrete base. The rafts are installed directly on the prepared surface, which significantly speeds up and simplifies the installation process. In addition, they provide excellent ventilation under the decking, preventing moisture accumulation and extending the service life of the materials. It is interesting to note that Duplast rafts are suitable not only for terraces, but also for installing garden sheds. They provide stability and durability of the structure, adapting to various types of soil and compensating for surface unevenness. For those planning to install a terrace using Duplast rafts, it is recommended to familiarize yourself with the detailed instructions and video tutorials available on the company's official YouTube channel. These materials provide step-by-step installation guides to help you avoid common mistakes and ensure a professional result. MAPAFlex MS45 from MAPE. This one-component hybrid product based on silylated polymers combines the functions of a sealant and an adhesive, ensuring high elasticity and strength of the bond. MAPAFlex MS45 is specially designed for sealing expansion, connection and distribution joints on horizontal and vertical surfaces. It is also recommended for elastic bonding of various building materials, replacing or complementing mechanical fastenings. One of the key advantages of MAPAFlex MS45 is its compatibility with damp substrates, allowing it to be used even in adverse conditions. Once cured, the sealant can be painted, ensuring aesthetics and harmony with the surrounding surfaces. It is interesting to note that MAPAFlex MS45 has high resistance to the formation of mold in indoor environments, does not contain solvents, and has very low emissions of volatile organic compounds, making it environmentally friendly. Thanks to its unique characteristics, MAPAFlex MS45 is widely used for sealing facades, floors, window and door frames, as well as for filling cracks and crevices. Its high adhesion to various materials such as cement, brick, steel, aluminum, glass, wood, and many plastics makes it a universal solution for many construction and renovation tasks. Sikablock, the world's first folding plastic block for permanent formwork. This product, developed by the French company Edeltam, is a modular, lightweight, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective alternative to traditional construction methods. Sikablock is made from recycled synthetic material, making it environmentally friendly and resistant to various weather conditions. The blocks have excellent mechanical properties, are durable, and do not rot. Thanks to the folding design, they are 80% lighter than conventional formwork blocks and take up 3 times less space when stored. Each block weighs only 2.5 kilograms, which greatly facilitates transportation and installation. The block dimensions are 60 centimeters long and 20 centimeters high, with width options of 20 or 30 centimeters. Once assembled and filled with concrete, walls built using Sikablock have strength comparable to reinforced concrete structures. The main advantages of using Sikablock include no need for skilled labor, quick installation, ideal for confined spaces, earthquake resistance, fire resistance, termite resistance, and excellent thermal insulation properties. In addition, the blocks provide acoustic insulation and do not require the use of supporting frames during assembly. Sikablock is suitable for the construction of a variety of projects, including wastewater treatment plant walls, wastewater tanks, wastewater treatment plant walls, underground water storage tanks, basements, lift shafts, and temporary or model homes. Its lightweight, ease of installation, and reusability make it an ideal solution for temporary buildings and worker housing. Schluter Detra Heat. This system combines the functions of electric underfloor and wall heating, and also provides separation, waterproofing, and steam management, which guarantees the durability and reliability of tile coverings. The basis of the system is a polypropylene membrane with a unique protrusion structure to which the heating cables are attached. The membrane thickness is approximately 5.5 mm, which minimizes the overall height of the structure and ensures smooth transitions between different floor coverings. One of the key advantages of Schluter-Dieter heat is the elimination of the need for self-leveling compounds to encapsulate the cables, which simplifies and speeds up the installation process. The membrane is available in rolls or sheets, which allows the system to be adapted to different room sizes. For temperature control, Schluter offers thermostats with a touch screen and Wi-Fi connectivity, which makes it easy to set up and control the heating system. In addition, the Schluter Smart Thermostat mobile app is available, allowing you to control your underfloor heating via your smartphone. Schluter-Dieter Heat Duo is an advanced version of the system, equipped with an additional 2 mm thick felt layer. This layer reduces impact noise by up to 13 dB and ensures faster heating of floor and wall coverings, which increases the comfort of use. Hexalith hexagons from Argolith. These fully sintered ceramic tiles with a hexagonal shape combine strength, chemical resistance, and aesthetics, making them ideal for use in high-traffic environments. The unique hexagonal shape of Hexalith tiles ensures optimal load distribution and increased stability of the coating. This makes them particularly suitable for use in the food industry, pharmaceuticals, and other industries where hygiene and safety are important. Due to their shape, Hexalith tiles improve drainage and increase slip resistance, which reduces the risk of injuries in the workplace. Hexalith tiles are highly resistant to chemicals, including acids and alkalis, making them ideal for use in aggressive environments. They are also resistant to mechanical damage, which ensures the durability of the coating even under intensive use. The Hexalith tile installation process includes vibration technology, which ensures a tight fit of the tiles and increases their wear resistance. In addition, the surface of the tiles is designed for quick and thorough cleaning, making it easier to maintain hygiene in the workplace. Founded in 1870, Argolith has extensive experience in the production of ceramic tiles for industrial floors. Their products are known for their reliability and meet the most stringent quality standards. New Elevator by Geoplast. This modular formwork, made from recycled polypropylene, is designed to form ventilated spaces in the foundations of residential, industrial, and commercial buildings. The new elevator system consists of a 58 by 58 centimeters base grid with a height of 2.5 centimeters, PVC pipes of variable height, and a 15 centimeters high top form. These components allow the creation of underground spaces from 70 to 250 centimeters high, providing a flexibility and adaptation to various project requirements. The main advantages of using new elevator include high load-bearing capacity, adjustable height, saving on backfill materials, high productivity on the construction site, and the possibility of inspection for maintenance. This system is ideal for creating lightweight structural infills, foundations of large buildings, industrial facilities, school buildings, as well as modular ramps and stairs. The installation process of new elevator includes soil preparation and compaction, laying the base grid, installing pipes of the required height, and placing the top form. After this, reinforcement and concrete are poured, ensuring the strength and durability of the structure. By using recycled materials and reducing the volume of backfill, the new elevator system promotes sustainable construction and a reduced environmental impact. An innovative building lifting system. ArrowLift, developed by Failsafe House Lifting Systems. This patented technology is an alternative to traditional methods of lifting houses using jacks and formwork. ArrowLift uses an electromechanical jacking mechanism, providing maneuverability and safety when lifting structures. One of the key advantages of the ArrowLift system is its ability to evenly distribute the load when lifting a building, which reduces the risk of damage to the structure. In addition, the use of an electromechanical drive ensures the accuracy and control of the lifting process, allowing work to be performed with minimal deviations. The ArrowLift system is used in cases where it is necessary to lift a building for foundation repair, replacement of windowsills, or other construction work. Its use allows to reduce the time of work and increase their safety compared to traditional methods. That wraps up our look at some of the most impressive innovations in construction technology. Whether you're a professional in the industry or just passionate about building smarter, these tools and materials can take your projects to the next level. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the latest construction advancements. See you in the next video.